Each framing content author is designed to be used with a different type of content, including graphic messages, text messages, or clauses. Let's walk through the steps needed to compose a graphic message that has a text box and an image. To start, choose the frame where you want to add the message, then select Add Content. Enter a name for your message, then select Insert. Now select the message, then select Edit Content. Graphic messages let you position content exactly where you want within the frame. To add a text box, select Insert Text Box, then click and drag to position the box where you want it. Now enter your text. Depending on the communication design, you might be able to change the font size and color. To add an image, select Insert Image. You can insert an image from the library or insert a link to an image. We'll add an image from the library. Now choose the picture, then click Select. You can click and drag to reposition objects. You can also stretch or shrink the image using the sizing handles. Keep in mind that graphic messages have a fixed size and don't grow to accommodate content. When you're done, select Keep Changes to see how the message looks in the communication.